Hi everyone, and welcome to the PDK Feature Series. I'm Brad Baldwin, the Vice President of Product here at ProdataKey. In this series, we're going to talk about various features in the ProdataKey app. Today, I want to talk about the Request Replacement Credentials feature. We built the Request Replacement Credentials feature so you can get back opening doors as quickly as possible when you buy a new phone or when you accidentally deleted a credential that you shouldn't have deleted. This lets you be able to serve yourself from your mobile phone. And you don't have to wait around for an admin to issue you new credentials. To request your replacement credentials, you will first need to download and launch the ProdataKey app. Once in the ProdataKey app, you will see a welcome screen. Since you used to have credentials and were able to open doors before, you can request replacement credentials. Look for the My App Used to Work option. Enter the same email address that was used by your security team when they sent the initial credentials. This is important and required for this feature to work. Select the Submit button to send your request. ProdataKey will send you an email that includes instructions and a button to get your credentials back on your phone. Open the email on your phone and click the button. The ProdataKey app will open and your credentials will be added. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're missing credentials, remember the Request Replacement Credentials feature and start unlocking doors the easy way with PDK.